In front of me is ROG Phone 8, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Click on Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Drag your numbers and pick up Perfect Order. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!